Hello everyone, welcome to Quantsapp. Myself Vignesh. Thanks for joining me in this video yet again. So as you might have seen in the thumbnail, today we will be discussing about I would say one of the proprietary tool of Quantsapp, which is relative performance graph, and one more tool which we will be covering is price OI percentile. Okay, so before getting into today's video, first of all I would like to ask you whether you have downloaded Quantsapp application yet, because most of our users who are following our videos have definitely downloaded. So if you haven't downloaded it and if you are new to Quantsapp, kindly download the application at the earliest, because as soon as you download, you can unlock 25 free tools which will definitely help to improve your trading journey. Apart from that, if you see, we have approximately 70 to 80 free tools. So 70 to 80 tools in total, out of which 25 tools are free. Okay, so you can definitely go and explore the paid tools as well. So what you can do is, the link for video library is given in the description. You can click on that link and you can definitely explore our video library, or else you can just click on learn over here. If you have installed the application, go to video library. See, so basically video library comprises of almost all the videos which almost all the tools which Quantsapp has, and that too we have covered in multiple languages. So the languages that we have covered are English, Hindi, Marathi and Tamil. Okay, so you can definitely go and explore these videos, okay, in whichever language you prefer. Okay, so first let's talk about price OI percentile today, how you can capture a decent swing using price OI percentile. Okay. So I hope my blackboard is visible to everyone. Okay, so let's talk about price OI percentile. So most of you might be aware of the concept of percentile, correct? See, if you have ever seen some competitive exams like CAT or CET, usually the ranking format, the percentile format is usually used, correct? So what is percentile? Okay, say for example, there are 100 students in a class. Let's take an example. There are 100 students in a class. Say for example, one of the student have secured say 90 marks, okay, and he is the first, okay, he is the first in the class and he has secured 90, and say there is one more student who has secured 35 and he is the last. Okay, so rest all other students are lying between these two. Okay, so when it comes to this fellow, we will rank him as 99 percentile. Okay, we will give him 99 percentile, and the last one, he is the lowest, so we will give him 1 percentile. Okay, rest all will be ranked between these two. Okay, so say suppose another student have scored 85, so he will be getting somewhere around 98 or 97 percentile. Based on the calculation, we can denote that. Okay, so I hope percentile concept is clear to everyone. Okay, so say whenever a student has scored 99, whenever you can say the price percentile is 99, that means you can conclude that the price is somewhere near to its previous high, we can say. Okay, so same will use this concept, like the same concept will be using in stock market. So whenever you see that a particular stock's price percentile is 99, that means you can say that the stock is trading near to its previous swing high. Or say if the price percentile is say somewhere around 1, 2, 3 or 4, somewhere like below 10, then we can say that the stock is somewhere near to its previous low, correct? Because the lowest trajectory we will give it as 1 percentile and the highest trajectory we will give it as 99 percentile. Okay, so whenever the price goes somewhere near to its previous high, we will categorize the percentile somewhere around 97, 98, somewhat like that. Okay, so now let's go and explore the tool, like how to use that tool. Okay. Okay, so this is the home page of Quantsapp. Okay, so let me give you an overview of this home page. So if you can see on the right hand side top, the major indices are covered over here. See, like Nifty, Nifty, Banknifty, and also the narration. In narration, if you see, you can see the built ups. Like in Nifty, current built up is long. In Fin Nifty, the built up is short covering. In Bank Nifty, the built up is short. Okay, so this will help you to gauge the overall sentiment of the market. Okay, because these are the major three indices. Okay, apart from that, if you see, there is option chain, unusual option activity, open interest, so lots of fancy tools available over here. You can definitely go and explore them. Okay, so let's start price OI percentile now. Okay, so let me click on analyze, and if you see under price and volume section, the second option is price OI percentile. Okay. So let me explain you the interface first, and then we'll go and check out how to use this tool. Okay. Give me a second. Okay. So if you see, search symbol option is there. Say if you want to check out the price percentile of any particular stock, then you can go and search that stock. If you are willing to trade any particular stock, if you have any of your favorite stock, you can directly go and search, then you can see that particular stock. Okay, now if you see, there is look back period. Now what is look back period? Say I want to check the historical data of say 100 days, then I can plot 100 days. If I want to go and check out the historical data of 180 days, then I can go and plot 180 days. So the default system says it is 180 is better because this is back tested, this is tried and tested one. Okay, if you want to tweak it, you can tweak it as per your convenience. You can also check out for 90 days, 30 days, depending on your requirement. Okay, if you reduce the number of days, you can find more number of trades. But if you keep it as 180, then definitely the number of trades that you might find might be less, but those will be quality ones, we can say. Okay, now sort by symbols. Okay, so what we will do over here is we will sort it through price percentile, correct? Because what we want to check the price percentile of the stock, and then we will conclude whether how to take a trade. Okay, now if you see over here, see the price greater than 80, that means the stocks where the price percentile is greater than 80, there are 132 scripts as such wherein the price percentile is more than 80, and there are 20 scripts where there are 5 scripts where the price percentile is less than 20, and same is given for OI as well. Okay, so let me filter this through price percentile, and I'll keep it in the descending order. So I can see that price percentile 99, 99, 99, 99, correct? So these are the stocks. If you see the look back period, okay, so if I check the data of past 180 days, these are the stocks which are trading somewhere near to its previous high, you can say. Okay, so now my question to you is it manually possible for you to go and check out the data of each and every stock, like say which stock is approaching its previous swing high or which stock is approaching its previous swing low? So it is manually not possible to go and check, correct? So this price percentile will help you to gauge whether the stock is trading near to its previous high or whether it is trading near its previous low. Okay, so say for example, if the price percentile of a stock is say 90, okay, let's assume a price percentile of the stock is 90. So what does it mean? The highest is 99, correct? So when the percentile is 90, we can conclude that the stock is somewhere near to its previous high. Now there are two possibilities. Either the stock might break the previous high, or else the stock might retrace from there, correct? There are two possibilities. Now how would I know whether the stock is going to break out or whether the stock is going to retrace from those levels? Correct. So there comes OI into the picture, correct? So OI plays a major role. Now what is OI? OI basically talks about the participation, correct? Say if the OI is also above 90, that means there is strong participation, correct? If the OI is also above 90, there is strong participation. Now if you see, the OI is 43, so there is no participation as such in the stock. Okay, people are not interested in this stock, correct? Now let us go and check the condition. Give me a second. Okay, so let's check the condition now. For bullish trade. Okay, condition for bullish trade. Suppose you want to find out the bullish trades, then what are the condition? Okay, price percentile price percentile should be greater than 90. Also, OI percentile greater than 90. Okay, if the price percentile is greater than 90, that means somewhere the price is approaching its previous high. Along with it, if you see the OI percentile also greater than 90, then what does it mean? Even people are interested in this stock. So when more and more participation happens, there is a possibility that this time the stock might break out. Correct? So the condition for finding a bullish trade is the price percentile should be above 90 and also the OI percentile should be above 90. Now why the OI percentile should be above 90? It might be clear to everyone because we need participation. Correct? If the stock is moving up but there is no participation, then at that point in time there is a possibility that the breakout might not sustain or the stock might not even break out. Correct? There is a possibility that it might retrace from the resistance level. Correct? So I hope this condition, this bullish condition is clear to everyone. Okay. Now let us go and check the condition for bearish trade. Okay. So the price percentile should be less than 10. Okay. And OI percentile should be greater than 90. No compromise in OI percentile, be it bullish trade or bearish trade. Correct? So price percentile should be below 10. Now below 10 means what? The lowest we gave it as 1 percentile. Remember the one who secured the lowest mark, I gave it 1. So say the lowest level which the price has tested in the historically what the price has tested is 1. Okay, this is the lowest level, so I will give it as 1. Now if the price percentile is less than 10, that means it is somewhere near to this level. Correct? Maybe it might be here or here. That means there is a possibility that the price might break this level. So whether the price is going to break it or not, how would I know? Again, OI. If the participation is more, that means more and more people are interested in shorting this stock because the stock is falling down and OI is going up. This is a short built up. So many people are interested in this. So we can say that there is a possibility that the stock might break down from here. So the condition for bearish trade is price percentile below 10, OI percentile above 90. Condition for bullish trade, price above 90, OI also above 90. Correct? So let me filter out now. Okay, so let me go and check, say any stock where the price is above 90 and also the OI is above 90. Okay, say for example, okay, let me take Zydus Life. Okay, give me a second. Here it is not mentioned. Let us go and check this stock because I was personally tracking this stock. So let me show you. See, if I type Zydus, can you see price percentile above 90 and OI also above 90 in Zydus Life? Can you see price 98 and OI 97? Now my question to you is, price is above 90, OI is above 90. Shall I go and initiate a fresh bullish trade? The answer is no. Correct? Because right now I am opening the screen and I checked that in Zydus price is above 90 and OI is above 90. But when did this happen? When did this scenario occur? The price and OI crossed above 90 today or yesterday or 10 days before? I don't know. Correct? So you should be on the right counter at the right time. So you have to give it a glance on a daily basis. End of the day, this is an EOD tool. So you can simply spare 5 to 10 minutes to check out which are the stocks where the price is above 90 and OI is above 90. Correct? Because if you are late by say even 2 or 3 days, there is a possibility that you might have missed a significant momentum on the upside. So in Zydus, I can see price is above 90, OI is above 90. Let me go to symbol wise and see Zydus Life I have plotted. Now on the right hand side, just check this table. Ignore the chart and check the table. When the price first crossed above 90, see 94 and 98. Can you see? Even over here, if you can see 18th July, 95, 94. Correct? Okay, let us take this. See, the first time when price crossed 90 is 3rd July. 96 price percentile and OI is 98. At that time the price was 1101 and within a month the price touched 1250 if you can see. Immediately the price gave some swing, but see, if you check out even on 31st July, say within a month you captured approximately 150 points. If you would have traded this in futures, it would have been a huge money, correct? Because the lot size is huge if you talk about futures, correct? So this is how you are supposed to find out the trade. Now one more thing I would like to show you, which is mid cap Nifty. Let me check the price. Okay, give me a second. Check mid cap Nifty. Price is above 90, even OI is above 90, correct? But when did this scenario happen? I don't know. Let me go to symbol wise. Let me check mid cap Nifty. Check this. When did the price cross? On 24th July, if you can see, on 24th July approximately, or else even on 18th July, if you see, it is 95.95, correct? So around you can catch it around 24th July as well. We can see 94.98 from 12,400. Okay, on either level you can see it is 12,400. From 12,400 within a week it went up to 12,888. That is approximately we can say 400 to 500 points movement in mid cap Nifty, correct? So this is a tool which will help you to capture huge momentum. I would say a decent momentum, I would say. Okay, so this is one such thing which you should definitely explore. Apart from that, there are another tools. One more tool which I would like to cover. I have covered it in yesterday's video as well, but those who are new, I will cover it in short. Okay, very short will cover this. Okay, so we'll go to trading. Under quant models, I'll select RPG. Okay. So those who have missed a detailed explanation on RPG can definitely go and check out my yesterday's video as well. Okay, but today we'll cover it in short. So what is RPG? Okay, see, in the middle there is a box which is neutral zone. Okay, whenever the stock is placed in neutral zone, we are not supposed to initiate any trade, be it bullish or a bearish trade. Now if you see, there are 4 quadrants over here: weak, progressive, strong and laggard, correct? So whenever a stock moves from weak to progressive, we are supposed to initiate a bullish trade. Okay, the condition for initiating a bullish trade is stock should move from weak to progressive. Now what happens is, the stock sometimes comes to progressive zone even from strong zone. That is not the condition for initiating a bullish trade. You are not supposed to see whether the stock is placed in progressive or not, but you are supposed to see whether the stock was in weak zone before entering in progressive zone. So from weak to progressive is very important. Okay, the stock should move from weak to progressive for initiating a bullish trade. Okay, now for bearish trade, what you are supposed to do is, the stock should move from strong to laggard. Whenever the stock moves from strong to laggard, that is an indication of a bearish momentum. Okay, so whenever a stock moves from strong to laggard, you can initiate a bearish trade. Now what the rule book says is, the stock usually follows a cycle, say from weak to progressive, progressive to strong, strong to laggard and laggard to weak. This is how the stock will move, but it is not necessary that every time the stock will move like this. Okay, so sometimes what happens, the stock moves from weak to progressive and then again it goes from progressive to neutral zone. So how to place your stop losses for this and all, I have discussed in yesterday's video. You can definitely go and check. So let me talk about the rules now. Whenever a stock moves from weak to progressive, say for example, stock has moved from weak to progressive on 15th. Okay, let's say randomly I'm taking a date, on 15th the stock has moved from weak to progressive. So when am I supposed to initiate a trade? I will initiate a trade on 16th. Okay, this is an EOD tool. You are supposed to check this at the end of the day. So suppose on 15th night, if you found that a particular stock is in progressive zone, you can initiate a trade on 16th provided 15th day high is broken. Okay, so I hope the condition is clear to everyone. Now let us go and check out an example. Okay, I'll take the same example as of yesterday. Okay, so I have clicked into create basket, and in select symbol I am just clicking the name of the stock. So this is Wipro. Okay, so let us go and check Wipro. I have also explained how you can simplify this, like how you can plot the stock, because it becomes difficult to check out each and every stock, correct? So you can create baskets. I have explained how to create the basket, say auto sector, metal sector, FMCG, pharma, everything you can create accordingly. Now this is date. Okay, so let me scroll this. I can scroll this. Okay, so it will show you on which date the stock was placed in which quadrant. Now see, on 22nd July Wipro was in weak zone. On 23rd July again Wipro is in weak zone. On 24th of July Wipro came to progressive zone. So what the condition, what the rule book says, when the stock goes to progressive zone, on 24th July stock went to progressive, I will take a trade on 25th provided 24th day high is broken. Let me go to analyze, let me go to chart order and trade, and Wipro is plotted. Let's go and check out whether the condition is getting fulfilled or not. Okay, now you check 24th, check. This is 24th candle, day high is 505.25. So I will initiate a trade on 25th if 505.25 is broken on the upside. On 25th, high is 506.70. So definitely I would have taken a trade on 25th. On 25th, if I would have taken a trade, say from 505, the stock went next day to 532. So approximately you can say 25 points movement, correct? Even if we could have captured 10 to 15 points, the lot size is 1500, you can calculate your profits, correct? So this is how RPG works. Even this is an excellent tool for capturing big movements. Okay, and also as we discussed, price OI percentile. So I hope you might have enjoyed this video. So like this video, share, subscribe, comment, and do let us know what you feel in the comment. Okay, and if you have any queries, on the right hand side top you can see the helpline number. Definitely feel free to contact us. Okay, so stay tuned, we'll see you soon in the next video. Thank you, thanks everyone for your valuable time.